Hello kids, welcome to a new video. Today we will learn numbers and colors. Black color. This is number 1. 1. 2. 2. 3. 3. 4. 4. 5. 5. 6. 6. 7. 7. 8. 8. 9. 9. 0. 0. Wow, it looks great. Let's say it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Now it's color time. Sky blue color. This is number 1. 1. Let's say together. 1. Orange color. This is number 2. 2. Let's say together. 2. This is number 2. Pink color. This is number 3. 3. Kids, say together. This is number 3. 3. This is number 3. Parrot color. This is number 4. 4. Say together. This is number 4. 4. Great job. Brown color. This is number 5. 5. Kids, say together. 5. This is number 5. Kids, this is number 5. 5. Well done. Red color. This is number 6. 6. Kids, say it with me. This is number 6. 6. Great job. Green color. This is number 7. 7. Kids, say it together. This is number 7. 7. Great. Yellow color. This is number 8. 8. Kids, say it together. This is number 8. 8. Well done. Purple color. This is number 9. 9. Kids, say it together. 9. 9. Well done. Blue color. This is number 0. 0. Kids, say it together. This is number 0. 0. 0. Wow! It looks great. Good job. Let's say together. 1. Sky blue color. 2. Orange color. 3. Pink color. 4. Parrot color. 5. Brown color. 6. Red color. 7. Green color. 8. Yellow color. 9. Purple color. 0. Blue color. Goodbye, kids. See you in next video.